Did you know that one Premier League owner's net worth could buy hundreds of top-tier football clubs? Stay tuned to find out. Football, the world's most beloved game, has transcended borders and cultures, captivating the hearts of millions. Today we're going to introduce you to the top 10 richest Premier League owners, taking a closer look at their net worth and the profound influence they exert in the world of football. Top 10. John Henry, the owner of Liverpool FC, with a net worth of $4 billion. Henry's path to riches began when he founded his trading firm, J.W. Henry & Co. in the early 1980s. Alongside Tom Werner, he made a groundbreaking move into the world of sports by purchasing the Boston Red Sox for $380 million in 2002. His ownership in Liverpool FC has propelled the club to new heights, both on and off the pitch. Top 9. The Glazer Family. Their family owns Manchester United, with a formidable net worth of $4.7 billion. The Glazers' wealth is rooted in the commercial real estate industry, primarily through First Allied Corporation. In 2005, the family patriarch Malcolm Glazer acquired a majority stake in the iconic football club Manchester United. This marked a significant moment in the club's history, although it was followed by his unfortunate passing in 2014. His sons, Abram and Joel Glazer, assumed leadership roles, and their strategic business acumen has played a vital role in driving the Glazer family's net worth to $4.7 billion as of 2023. Top 8. Todd Boehly, the owner of Chelsea FC, with a net worth of $5.3 billion. Born in the United States, Todd Boehly co-founded Eldridge Industries, an influential investment company. Serving as its chairman and CEO, he oversees a diverse portfolio of consulting and financial services. In May 2022, Todd Boehly, alongside a consortium of business partners, successfully acquired Chelsea Football Club for an impressive $5 billion, making a substantial investment in the realm of football ownership. Top 7. Joe Lewis, the owner of Tottenham Hotspur FC, with an impressive net worth of $6.1 billion. Now, Joe Lewis, a British businessman and investor, owes his wealth to the Tavistock Group, a conglomerate with a vast portfolio spanning over 200 assets in 13 countries. Within the Tavistock Group, the Enoch Group is included, and it is through this firm that Joe Lewis holds ownership of Tottenham Hotspur. His investment ventures are not confined to sports. He also has a stake in the UK pub operator Mitchells and Butlers. Alongside Daniel Levy, Joe Lewis plays a pivotal role in overseeing and managing the North London club, Tottenham Hotspur. Top 6. Nassef Sawiris, the owner of Aston FC, with an impressive net worth of $7.4 billion. Born in Cairo, Egypt, in 1961, Nassef Sawiris is an Egyptian billionaire businessman and investor. He is the youngest of Ozzy Sawiris' 3 sons and ranks among the top 5 wealthiest Africans as of now. Nassef Sawiris' success and wealth have been built through his business ventures and investment acumen. In the world of sports ownership, Nassef Sawiris partnered with Fortress Investment Group's West Edens to acquire the prestigious Premier League club, Aston Villa FC. Their joint ownership brings valuable resources and expertise to support the growth and development of the football club. Top 5. Josh Harris, the owner of Crystal Palace FC, with a substantial net worth of $8 billion. Born in the United States in 1965, Josh Harris is not only an American investor, but also a philanthropist. His involvement in the sports world goes beyond football, as he holds stakes in other major sports teams, including the NHL's New Jersey Devils and the NFL's Pittsburgh Steelers, showcasing his diverse interests in this sporting realm. The majority of Josh Harris's wealth comes from a stake in Apollo, a prominent investment firm. Through his business ventures and astute financial decisions, he has amassed an impressive net worth of $8 billion. Top 4. Shahid Khan, the owner of Fulham FC, with an impressive net worth of $12.2 billion. Born in Pakistan and holding dual Pakistani-American nationality, Shahid Khan is widely recognized as a successful businessman and sports tycoon. His immense wealth has been amassed through various business ventures and investments. Shahid Khan made headlines in the sports world when he acquired Fulham FC in 2013, becoming the owner of the prestigious football club. However, Khan's interests in sports ownership do not end with soccer. He also owns the NFL's Jacksonville Jaguars since 2012. This further solidifies his position as a prominent figure in the sports industry. Beyond sports ownership, Shahid Khan has showed his support for media by being a major financial backer of Black News Channel, a 24-hour cable news channel. Top 3. Stan Kroenke, the owner of Arsenal FC, with an impressive net worth of $12.9 billion. Stan Kroenke, born in Columbia, Missouri, United States, is an American entrepreneur with a diversified portfolio of businesses. His vast wealth has been acquired through ventures in various industries, particularly sports ownership. Apart from Arsenal FC, he also owns other major sports franchises, including the Los Angeles Rams, Denver Nuggets, Colorado Avalanche, and Colorado Rapids. His investments in multiple sports teams have solidified his position as a prominent figure in the world of sports ownership. Top 2. Sheikh Mansour, the owner of Manchester City FC, with an extraordinary net worth of $40 billion. Born in the United Arab Emirates, Sheikh Mansour is an Emirati politician and entrepreneur. He holds the prestigious position of Deputy Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates and is a member of the ruling family of Abu Dhabi, one of the wealthiest families in the region. Sheikh Mansour's ownership of Manchester City came through the Abu Dhabi United Group, a conglomerate that acquired the football club in September 2008. Under his ownership, Manchester City has grown into one of the most successful and prominent football clubs globally, boasting a roster of some of the best footballers in the world. Top 1. Saudi Public Investment Fund. And now, the richest Premier League owner at the top of the list is the Saudi Public Investment Fund, with a staggering net worth of over $600 billion. This sovereign wealth fund, known for financing various mega projects in Saudi Arabia, including the ambitious Neom, a futuristic city development, acquired Newcastle United FC in 2021, making a significant moment in the world of football. It is important to note that the Saudi Public Investment Fund does not have a single owner, but its chairman is His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud, a prominent figure in Saudi Arabian leadership. These billionaire owners have not only poured their immense wealth into the footballing world, but also brought their expertise and resources, transforming their respective clubs into global brands. Their investments have elevated the level of competition, the quality of play, and the reach of football to new heights. The impact of their wealth on the evolution of sports is undeniable, and it'll be fascinating to witness how they continue to shape the future of the game. Now, what are your thoughts on the impact these billionaire owners have had on football? Have they shaped the game for the better, or do you see challenges in the influence of wealth on the sport? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked our content and would like to see more of these amazing luxuries, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our next epic video.